What's going on, everybody? I got the Tesla Model 3 fob, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the process of setting it up and how it works. So first and foremost, it comes in a nice box. It has Tesla on the front, the 3 on the top, and just like a nice red accent, the box is pretty fancy looking. You open it up and the fob just sits there. Underneath it, there is 2 batteries. I already installed one, but I'm going to take you through the process of installing the battery, just in case you're not sure, or if you're just interested in how this all works. So you'll see on the back side, there's a little hole. You want to clip off the bottom, and it just kind of like pops off. You might have to put a little bit of pressure, but it literally just pops off. And then you can install your battery. It literally just clips in, and then you take the plastic piece you popped off and you pop it back on. Just for size, the fob itself feels pretty comfortable in your hand. It's a bit small, but I can see why they want to make it smaller so it fits well into your pocket. So let's get to the installation of the car. Okay, so I'm in my Model 3. I got my fob over here. I'm under settings, under locks. I'm going to hit the plus. It says scan your new key behind the cup holder to begin. So we have our cup holder here. We're going to take my card and we're going to put it over there. And it says tap existing card to approve pairing. So there you go. And now it is active. Interesting enough, it shows up as unknown key. I don't know why that is. It doesn't say like fob. So there is the key card and my Pixel 3, but it shows it as a unknown key. So that's kind of weird. I'm just going to rename it, and we'll call this fob. Save. So there you go, Pixel 3, fob, and keycard. I disabled one of the keycards. I only have one keycard, Pixel 3 and my fob. So let's show you how it works. So I have my Tesla Model 3 fob over here, and I explain to you how it works. So first and foremost, it looks like your car. It's a miniature version. So, well, with that in mind, the top of the car up here, this will lock and unlock your car. So if you click it once, your car will lock. If you double click it, your car will unlock. A good way to remember this is if the fob is in your pocket and you accidentally click it, at the very worst, your car will become locked, right? So just keep that in mind. If you click it once, it locks. If you double click it, it unlocks. And that would be the top of the car. While looking at the car like this, you can tell this is the front because you have your T, and this is your trunk because it's at the back. So if you want to open up the trunk, you double tap the back. If you want to open up the front, you double tap the front. Pretty self-explanatory so far. If you want to open up the charge port, you hold your finger down on the back and your charge port will open. Interesting enough, they only allow the charge port to open, not to close using this method. So if you hold your finger down, it will open up, but it will not actually close using this fob. So the fob itself is nice, and from my limited testing so far, it does work well. If you guys have any questions, do leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But that does it for today's video about the fob. Hopefully this was informational for you guys. If you're interested in more Tesla videos, do subscribe. I have more coming all the time. And most importantly, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.